Absolutely, Ma'am Kat. And I believe dito talaga sa Clark, this is the next development na talaga, specifically here in Pampanga, no? And by the way, we're Kapampangans. And we've seen
pure Kapampangan talaga din kami.
Correct. And then, we've seen, since taga dito kami, from the scratch na wala pa talaga yung, as in, damuhan pa to. Ditong sa site na to sa San Fernando, no? Dito sa kinatatayuan ni Azure North. Damuhan pa siya, and then yun, meron ng mga buildings, no?
Saka even tayong dito talaga naka-base, di ba, sir? Parang nagugulat tayo sa mga biglang sulputan ng mga, let's say, businesses, development na parang, ay, may ganito pala dito na, yung gano'n.
And it is one of the tourist spot or destination ngayon dito sa Pampanga. Correct, because it's already operational. Because during the pandemic, hindi pa dun nata-turn over, diba?
Correct.
Parang few units pa lang yung nata-turn over, which was way back 2020. What? Ba? 2022. Yung turnover ng mga units.
Yes, 2021.
Yun.
Correct. And also, kumbaga, yun nga, yung number one, yung access nga natin sa airport, saka sa seaport. Tapos, ang maganda rin kasi, dito sa North, is well in place na yung mga infrastructure. Although, alam naman natin na, kumbaga, yung government into build. Tapos, may mga nakalatag na plano na mga, let's say, mga trains,
and the PNR.
Yeah. Pero parang, as it is ngayon, very accessible siya kasi meron tayong NLEX, meron tayong SCTEX, meron tayong Skyway, TPLEX, and all. So, parang, yung mga dating, for example, Baguio na binabiyahe natin, di ba? Like, for how many hours? 8 hours ngayon, parang down to 3 or 4 hours na lang. So, kumbaga, ang maganda lang with San Fernando, kumbaga,
passageway siya.
Gateway or passageway siya talaga. Dadaan ka. And also, sir, kasi, even before the pandemic naman, di ba? Parang ang drive naman talaga ng government and even yung mga developers is to decongest Metro Manila na. So that's why they created yung mga tinatawag na second wave cities. So parang palabas na from una, Makati yung CBD, tapos may Taguig, may Ortigas. Kumbaga, ngayon, Quezon City yung dinedevelop as the next CBD. Nag-start kasi sila sa South. So, kumbaga, ang space ngayon sa North. So, parang no way to go but up North yung development. That's why, parang dinedevelop na another city din bandang Bulacan. So, dito, San Fernando, tapos sa Clark. Ang maganda lang kasi with San Fernando, out of congestion ka ng Metro Manila, but yet, you're still convenient and accessible to Manila if whatever business na kailangan mong gawin doon. Like, for example, via Skyway ngayon, from here, parang 80-90 minutes, nasa Makati ka na. Even sa airport, actually, sobrang bilis na lang.
Totoo. Na-experience ko yun.
Diba, sir?
Sobrang na-experience ko na nung pumunta kami sa NAIA. Sobrang smooth lang din and sobrang bilis lang.
Sobrang smooth lang. Parang kaya mo, actually, mga 1 hour, 15-30 minutes, nandun ka na din. So, parang kumbaga, ang maganda with San Fernando, gitna ka ng dalawang city, Manila and Clark.
Correct.
So, kumbaga, any developments na, kumbaga, mangyayari doon, sasaluhin din ni San Fernando. And also, San Fernando din kasi, nandito din naman kasi halos ng mga government, let's say, mga, kumbaga yung administrative when it comes to doing business and all dito. That's why, yung ins and outs din ng mga, kumbaga, business people, nandito din. Kumbaga, market alone, hindi lang siya yung mga local, but even, yun nga, yung mga, kumbaga, galing iba-ibang places din, actually.
Correct. In conclusion, when it comes to really the location, so Pampanga is really, as a whole, no, it is now really the next development na, or madedevelop na area.
Correct.
Diba? And then, not just about the location, but as well as the culture.
Culture,
diba?
Correct. Oo, very rich din kasi naman talaga yung culture.
Ang magagaling din magluto.
Masarap din yung pagkain. Di, totoo naman. Kasi like ikaw, sir, when you travel, di ba parang minsan, kahit yung lugar, maganda siya, pero kung hindi masarap yung pagkain, hindi mo naman din siya babalikan.
Exactly. Oh.
Di ba?
Oh,
parang
naman.
Once lang. Pero parang kumbaga, Pampanga, that's why pinupuntahan pa rin siya often kasi nga, masarap yung pagkain.
Exactly.
Masarap mag-food trip.
Knowing that Kapampangans are very, very good when it comes to cooking and culinary. Which is, we are the culinary capital of the Philippines. Diba?
Yeah.